Hello friends, greetings from Aditya Birla Sunlife Mutual Fund. My name is Abhishek Singhal and I manage the products initiative for Aditya Birla Sunlife Mutual Fund. Today we are going to talk about our exciting new offering, Aditya Birla Sunlife ESG Fund. Over the last many decades, while the world around us has evolved at a rapid pace and has made progress in several areas like business, economy, health and lifespan, productivity and lifestyles, some of these changes and developments have actually taken a toll on the planet, its people, and its resources. With several burning issues like ecological damage, global warming, civil issues in many countries, and frequent financial crises being faced by the world, the focus of business and communities globally is now on the impact of business on environment and society at large. Thus, they are now shifting their focus from how profitable a business is to is a business making profits in a sustainable and responsible way. In short, the focus is on E, environment, S for society, and G, governance. With regulatory frameworks also in place in most countries for these issues, companies that abide by these rules and conventions are called ESG compliant companies. ESG investing looks beyond traditional fundamental investment parameters like profitability, balance sheet strength, business environment, etc., to identify high quality, socially responsible companies for investing. Studies have shown that ESG integration in business actually helps to improve operational efficiency, increase long term sustainability, and reduce risk, eventually seeking to enhance investor returns. It is estimated that globally, over 38% of world AUM has already shifted to ESG compliant businesses across asset classes, and it is already in high growth adoption mode in emerging markets like India also. Large institutional investors like sovereign wealth funds globally have ESG now as a primary filter for selecting investments as well as fund managers. The last few years have seen significant fund flow to sectors or businesses that have proven to be more ESG compliant, like technology, financial services, healthcare, consumer, etc. Accordingly, these businesses or sectors have also received high fund flow and delivered better returns. Historically, in India, Nifty 100 ESG TRI, it's a benchmark for ESG investing. It has actually outperformed its peer Nifty 100 TRI in 7 out of 9 calendar years since launch. And the last 4-5 calendar years, it has outperformed entirely. There are many instances globally and in India too, where non-compliance to ESG has increased business risk and heavy penalties have dented the company's business prospects. Thus, we believe it is an apt time to move towards sustainable and responsible investing ourselves. We present Aditya Birla Sunlife ESG Fund, an open-ended equity scheme focusing on the ESG theme. The fund will invest in companies that are not only fundamentally strong, but also score high on the ESG criteria and have high growth potential. It would have market cap agnostic portfolio, though there may be a bias towards large cap stocks. The fund will invest, or the fund can invest, up to 35% of portfolio in foreign markets as well, but businesses that are ESG compliant. It will, however, continue to be more fundamentals focused in identifying long-term winners through a bottom-up stock picking approach, and will also use a top-down approach to avoid sectors and businesses that do not fulfill the ESG criteria, like companies that make cluster munitions, biological and chemical weapons, etc. Focus of portfolio is going to be towards sectors that are more aligned towards ESG theme through the use of ESG screeners as well. So make the smart move today and switch to sustainable and responsible investing through Aditya Birla Sunlife ESG Fund. NFO opens on the 4th of December and closes on the 18th of December. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.